Okay, let's try something different.
Okay guys, I have problem something in the game Resident Evil 2 can use keyboard. You like this can respond space confirm. Okay. For this I found the solution. This problem to in cracknya. Jadi your download crack fix. Okay. Okay, now I finished download crack fix from Resident Evil 2 from link Skid Row guys. Jadi so you see my solution, my tips. Okay, this quick fix your stuff here, and now you start here again. Now this your copy this file into game faster and this. Okay guys, your test methods. I play the game in Windows 11, Windows 8.1. Windows 8.1. I try this game. This game can use keyboard press space. Okay, confirm, enter. Okay, and now keyboard connect in this game. Okay guys, don't forget subscribe my channel, comment, share. Okay, TOBO Unboxer.
I'ma flex on my ex, flex on the hoe. You still be